The introduction. If you're over 50 and struggling to sleep, your body might just need a little natural support before bedtime, is designed to be simple, direct, and engaging. It works well because it quickly captures attention while still maintaining a calm and respectful tone. It begins with, "If you're over 50, which clearly identifies the target audience right away. This is important for platforms like YouTube, where viewers decide within a few seconds whether the content is relevant to them. By directly mentioning the age group, the intro immediately speaks to the right people. At the same time, the use of if keeps it gentle and non-assumptive. It doesn't force the statement on everyone, it simply invites those who relate to keep listening." The next part, "and struggling to sleep," introduces the main problem in a very straightforward way. Sleep issues are common among older adults, so this line connects quickly with the viewer's personal experience. The wording is simple and easy to understand, which is especially important for a 50-plus audience. There are no complicated terms or medical language, just a clear description of a real-life issue. Then comes the phrase, "Your body might just need a little natural support." This is where the tone becomes more reassuring and hopeful. The words might and just are very important. They soften the message and make it feel less like a diagnosis and more like a possibility. Instead of saying something is wrong, it suggests that the body may simply need a bit of help. This creates a positive and comforting feeling. The idea of natural support is also very appealing. It suggests that the solution will be gentle, safe, and easy to try. Many people, especially in older age groups, prefer natural approaches over strong medications. This phrase taps into that preference without making any exaggerated claims. The final part, "before bedtime," adds clarity and direction. It tells the viewer when this support should happen, setting up the next part of the video where you will introduce the remedy. It also keeps the message focused and practical. Another strength of this intro is its pacing. The pauses created by the allow you to speak slowly and thoughtfully. This makes the delivery feel calm and controlled, which is perfect for a topic like sleep. A slower pace also helps the audience absorb the message more easily and creates a more relaxing listening experience. Overall, this intro is slightly more engaging and direct compared to the others. It works well as a hook because it quickly identifies the audience, highlights the problem, and hints at a simple solution, all within one short statement. In summary, this intro is effective because it is clear, relatable, and comforting. It speaks directly to the viewer's situation, offers a gentle sense of hope, and prepares them for a natural solution, all while staying simple, safe, and easy to follow. Many people over the age of 50 begin to notice that sleep doesn't come as easily as it once did. But sometimes a simple natural habit before bed can make a gentle difference. The introduction, "Many people over the age of 50 begin to notice that sleep doesn't come as easily as it once did. But sometimes a simple natural habit before bed can make a gentle difference," works because it speaks directly to a very real and common experience without sounding dramatic or exaggerated. As people grow older, especially after the age of 50, the body goes through natural changes. Sleep patterns often shift. Some people find it harder to fall asleep, while others wake up more frequently during the night. This intro acknowledges that reality in a calm and understanding way. Instead of making the viewer feel worried, it makes them feel seen and understood. That emotional connection is very important, especially for an older audience. The phrase "begin to notice" is very powerful here. It doesn't sound like a medical diagnosis or a strong claim. It simply reflects a gradual, natural change. This keeps your content safe for YouTube and also makes it more relatable. People don't feel like they're being told something is wrong with them. They feel like someone understands what they're going through. The second part of the intro shifts gently toward hope, but sometimes a simple natural habit before bed can make a gentle difference. Notice how soft and careful the language is. Words like "sometimes," "simple," and "gentle" are key. They lower expectations in a good way and avoid making unrealistic promises. Instead of saying "this will fix your sleep," it suggests that small changes might help. This builds trust with your audience, which is essential if you want them to keep coming back to your channel. Another important aspect of this intro is its tone. It feels calm, patient, and respectful. It doesn't rush or try to grab attention with loud or shocking statements. This is especially effective for a 50-plus audience who generally prefer content that feels thoughtful and sincere rather than overly energetic or aggressive. The pacing also matters. When you read this intro slowly with small pauses, it creates a soothing effect. This matches the topic of sleep and relaxation perfectly. Your voice should feel like a guide, not a salesperson. This kind of delivery helps build a sense of trust and comfort. Finally, this intro sets up curiosity without pressure. It doesn't immediately reveal the solution, but hints that something simple and natural is coming next. That encourages viewers to keep watching, which is very important for YouTube engagement. In short, this intro works because it combines empathy, simplicity, and trust. It connects with the viewer's experience, offers gentle hope, and prepares them for a natural solution, all while staying safe, realistic, and easy to understand. The introduction: as we get older, especially after 50, getting a good night's sleep can become a real challenge. But there are simple, natural ways that may help your body relax before bed, is effective because it feels warm, relatable, and easy to understand. It starts with the phrase "as we get older," which immediately creates a sense of connection. Instead of pointing directly at the viewer with "you," it uses "we," making the message feel inclusive and respectful. This is especially important for a 50-plus audience, as it avoids sounding judgmental or overly direct. It feels like a shared experience rather than advice being given from above. The pause especially after 50, adds emphasis without sounding dramatic. It gently highlights the target audience while still keeping the tone calm. People in this age group often notice changes in their sleep, so this line helps them feel understood right away. It shows that the content is made specifically for them. The phrase "getting a good night's sleep can become a real challenge" is very important. Instead of exaggerating or making alarming claims, it simply describes a common difficulty. The words "can become" leave room for individual differences, which makes the statement more believable and safe. It doesn't assume that everyone has the same problem, but it acknowledges that many people do. Then the intro smoothly transitions into a hopeful message, but there are simple, natural ways. This shift is gentle and positive. The word "but" signals that even though sleep may be challenging, there is something helpful to look forward to. It keeps the viewer engaged and curious about what comes next. The use of "simple" is also powerful. It reassures the audience that the solution will not be complicated or overwhelming. For older viewers especially, simplicity is very appealing. They are more likely to try something that feels easy and practical. The phrase "natural ways" connects strongly with the growing interest in wellness and home remedies. It suggests that the solution does not rely on harsh chemicals or complex treatments, which many people prefer to avoid. However, it still stays safe by not making any strong medical claims. Finally, the words "may help your body relax before bed" are key for both tone and safety. The phrase "may help" keeps expectations realistic and avoids guarantees. This is very important for platforms like YouTube. It also builds trust because the audience feels you are being honest rather than making promises. The overall tone of this intro is soft, supportive, and calming. It doesn't rush or try to shock the viewer. Instead, it gently guides them into the topic. When spoken slowly, with small pauses, it creates a relaxing feeling that matches the subject of sleep. In summary, this intro works because it feels human and caring. It connects with the audience through shared experience, introduces a common problem in a gentle way, and offers a simple, hopeful direction, all while staying clear, safe, and trustworthy. This introduction works because it feels thoughtful, calm, and slightly more reflective than the previous ones. It doesn't jump straight into the problem. Instead, it slowly builds the idea, which makes it feel more natural and trustworthy, especially for an older audience. The opening phrase, "over time," is very gentle and broad. It doesn't immediately mention age or problems. Instead, it invites the listener into a general idea that everyone can relate to. Change happens gradually. This creates a soft entry into the topic and avoids sounding too direct or harsh. Then it narrows down with "especially after the age of 50." This helps clearly define the target audience, but in a smooth and respectful way. It doesn't feel like a warning. It feels like a natural stage of life being acknowledged. For people over 50, this line feels accurate and relatable rather than alarming. The next part, "the body begins to change in quiet ways," is particularly powerful. The phrase "quiet ways" adds a sense of calm and subtlety. It suggests that these changes are not sudden or dramatic, but slow and natural. This reduces fear and helps the audience feel more at ease. It also creates a slightly emotional connection because many people recognize these small, gradual changes in their daily lives. Then comes the line, "and one of the first things many people notice." This builds curiosity. It doesn't immediately say what the issue is, which makes the viewer want to keep listening. At the same time, the phrase "many people" reassures the audience that they are not alone. It normalizes the experience, which is very important when discussing something like sleep problems. Finally, the intro reveals the main point, is a change in their sleep. This is done in a very calm and matter-of-fact way. There is no exaggeration or emotional pressure. It simply states the issue as a natural part of aging. This makes the content feel honest and realistic, which builds trust with the viewer. Another key strength of this intro is its pacing. Each line is short and separated by pauses. When spoken slowly, it creates a smooth and almost soothing rhythm. This is especially effective for a topic related to sleep, because the tone itself begins to feel relaxing. Compared to the other intros, this one is more storytelling based. It doesn't immediately offer a solution. It focuses on setting the scene and connecting emotionally with the audience first. This can increase viewer retention because people feel drawn into the message rather than just being given information. In summary, this intro works because it is calm, reflective, and relatable. It gently introduces the idea of aging, connects it to a common experience, and prepares the viewer for the topic of sleep in a natural and comforting way, all while maintaining a soft, trustworthy tone. Sometimes it's not a big problem, but the small habits we follow each day that quietly affect how well we sleep, especially after the age of 50. This introduction works because it shifts the focus away from fear or problems and instead highlights something more subtle, daily habits. It feels calm, thoughtful, and a little reflective, which is perfect for an older audience that prefers a gentle and respectful tone. The opening line, "Sometimes it's not a big problem," immediately grabs attention in a quiet but effective way. It challenges what the viewer might be thinking. Many people assume that poor sleep must be caused by a serious issue, but this line suggests otherwise. It creates curiosity because the viewer starts wondering, if it's not a big problem, then what is it? The next line, "But the small habits we follow each day," introduces a new perspective. It gently shifts the focus toward everyday behavior. This is powerful because it makes the topic feel more manageable and less overwhelming. Instead of feeling like they need a major solution, the viewer begins to think that small changes might actually help. The phrase "small habits" is very important. It makes the message feel simple and achievable. For a 50-plus audience, this is especially appealing. Big changes can feel difficult or stressful, but small habits feel realistic and doable. This increases the chances that viewers will stay engaged and even try the suggestion later in the video. Then comes the line that quietly affect how well we sleep. This is a very thoughtful and well-chosen phrase. The word "quietly" matches the overall calm tone and suggests that these effects happen gradually without being obvious. It also connects nicely with the idea of sleep, which is naturally associated with quietness and calmness. The phrase "affect how well we sleep" is also carefully worded. It avoids strong claims and keeps things realistic. It doesn't say these habits ruin sleep or fix it completely. It simply says they have an influence. This makes the message more believable and keeps it safe for platforms like YouTube. Finally, the intro ends with "especially after the age of 50." This clearly brings the focus back to the target audience. By placing this at the end instead of the beginning, the intro first builds a general idea and then personalizes it. This structure feels more natural and less direct, which can be more comfortable for viewers. Another strength of this intro is its flow. Each line connects smoothly to the next, creating a sense of progression. When spoken slowly with pauses, it feels almost like a conversation rather than a script. This helps build trust and keeps the viewer relaxed. In summary, this intro is effective because it feels calm, insightful, and practical. It encourages the viewer to think about small daily habits instead of big problems, offers a gentle perspective on sleep issues, and connects naturally with a 50-plus audience.